Hello, everyone. My name is Arsham, and today I'm joined with Baxate.
Thanks for having me.
I have a couple questions for you. In one of your videos I watched a couple months back, you mentioned that a good portion of your code is either fully assisted by AI or a little bit of it is written by AI. And my question is, as AI takes a bigger role in coding, what are some of the implications that come with this, or some of the challenges we might face in the future, especially as someone who uses these tools quite avidly?
Yeah, I think that you have to understand what it's writing. As soon as you start leaning on these tools that generate more, there is the risk that if you aren't the one making a lot of the decisions of the building, that it is either going to be at the lightest case making decisions that are maybe inefficient or using tools that you wouldn't otherwise use, but at the worst case could create things like vulnerabilities, which is why I think that a base level understanding, this is why I think a computer science education is still super important, is actually you have the fundamental blocks of understanding that then you can leverage these AI tools to just become much more proficient and much quicker with actually building software. But it will not replace the software engineer, the human part of it, which is making these decisions on how to solve problems using
Mhm.
software.
Given how fast AI is changing the software engineering industry, what mindset or habits do you think students should adopt to not only follow the change but grow with it?
Oh God, you got to be willing to move fast and be willing to adopt new technologies as they come out. A question I get asked a lot is, what are the skills I can learn to future proof myself? And usually, there is no set of technologies I can give you to future proof yourself. And so my answers are usually kind of non-satisfying, which is focusing on the skills that are a bit more meta level, learning how to learn, being flexible, being curious, and those are the skills that will allow you to remain nimble as new products come out. Try them and learn how to become proficient with them as soon as possible. And that's going to be more important than becoming an expert on something maybe previously, which is if you were a really great, SQL writer, you were super valuable before. LLMs are now really good at SQL. And the same can be said as we move closer and closer to the actual technologies. Maybe it's no longer, oh, I'm a Python developer. It's, I can use these tools to, again, solve really hard problems
Mhm.
at scale with these AI
Mhm.
technologies.
Great answer. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks.